This video is to give you instructions for adding your company logo and company information to the LED control panel of a Pro Series printer for ink ordering purposes using the remote UI. To access the remote UI, you simply enter the IP address for the printer into the URL for your browser. Once you're there, you'll click the Log On button in the top left-hand corner. The password to log in will be the serial number for the printer. Once you've logged in, you'll see a much more in-depth menu on the left-hand side. Click the Device Settings option, which is the third tab down. From there, you'll select Ink Supplier Info Settings. Now you're going to select Add Edit Supplier Logo. Once you're there, browse to your prepared bitmap file with a width of no larger than 320 dots and a height of no larger than 240 dots. Now, when your customer clicks Order Ink Now when they get the low ink warning, your logo will appear with directions for them to order ink. If you don't want to have your logo displayed, but just want to have your company information, go back to the Ink Supplier Info Settings and click on Ink Supplier Display Settings. Once there, you'll have an opportunity to either enter your company's information in text form or enter a URL that will guide your customer directly to your website.